Baka malinis to. O pabasahin to.
Ano ba yan?
Kuya, mag-click?
Ang basa. Maging
Thank you,
malinis
love.
eh. Oo.
See? My bedroom is there.
Yung gano'n. Parang malit eh.
And that is my privacy, so why am I going up?
Oh, tablet.
Dude,
Laptop.
it's your friend.
Just enter.
Laptop.
Exactly what I said.
What did I break it? Do I?
No. Oh, it's not bigger. Ooh, there's a book there. Read it. To be in the diary.
Oh no, no, that. Ay. Oh, I know that.
Ang ginagawa nyo, type lang kayo ng type. Type each other, ha?
Wait till the third.
You type each other, Bea.
Can you read the diary again? Read the book, Bea. Want to read it?
No, I can't. It's just, I know what it means. Someone.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Nakakayusan ko ano.
Ha?
Ang ganda niya, parang miniature. Miniature siya, di ba?
Okay.
What do you want?
Bili ka ng acrylic.
Para sa?
That's...
Ilagay natin doon.
And pigmented spider
Wait,
web.
which one? How many? One?
Para hindi malikot bukas.
One?
You need also mushroom.
Acrylic case. Pwede.
Mushroom and sugar.
Sige.
This one?
Yeah, and sugar.
Parang box.
May nakita na ako.
Oh,
And then
oh.
all you need now is golden carrots.
Okay. Is it gold?
Saan natin
I don't
nalagay?
feel gold.
Doon, o. Takpad.
Oops.
Pilipit na yung ibang nandoon.
Hmm.
I don't know everything.
Galing mo gumawa, no?
I guess if you want
Masyado
some
maliit.
Alright.
Okay. Got it. So you want it like hidden.
No.
Oh. I'm just running away now. Okay, you're running away. Got it. Yeah, see what happens again.
Hala,
Only have
nalaglag.
8 rockets. That's right.
Nalaglag. Masyadong malagay. Hindi matang...
Yung pandikit ay, dikit
Wait, I might break the rule of floating leaves.
Laki ng daliri ko eh.
What
Ha?
is this?
Yan, nakadikit yan.
Okay.
What if I die?
Dinikit niya doon?
That's when they're okay.
Para tumaya. Eh, yung mga books.
Hindi na. Sa tuyo, may pandikit eh.
Hmm.
Oh, good.
Yeah. I should try skating.
Hey, suck it. Come on.
Don't bet
Come
his,
on!
don't mess his world.
Come on!
He won't let you in again.
There we go. Okay, so what's in there? It's gotta be a chest somewhere.
Gold and then gold, right?
Did he do that?
Oh, that's all a chest. Are they all empty? Oh, blocks. These just building blocks.
Isn't it